Hey, what's up everybody? Nick here. Today we're going to go through the sum function, which basically helps you add up different values so you don't have to use a calculator and do manual calculations in Excel. So to start off, I'm sure you've seen my VLOOKUP videos because you're a huge fan already. So I'm going to use made up data from one of those videos using this orders table, right? So copy this over. We'll create a new tab to get us started, right? So it looks like it didn't copy over. So let's do this, right? Okay. So we have over here in this table, again, this is a table based on orders where we brought in details on the customer. But really what we're going to focus on today is the sales, because we want to add up how much we sold based on the data in this order detail table, right? So when you want to add up all these values, right, in your table in Excel, it's actually pretty simple. It's a function called sum, right? And there's different variations of it, like SUMIF, where it gets a little more complex as far as only add up values when this condition is met or when this is true or not. And then there's also SUMIFs, where it's the same as a sum if, where it's add up values based on a condition, but now it's based on conditions, so more than one condition. Today we're going to go through sum, and then after this video I'll link to the SUMIF and SUMIFs. But let's get to it. So basically the sum formula, right? We can take a calculator and try to basically add up each value, right, that we see here. So 550 plus 764 plus 1023 plus 613 plus 1052 plus 322, so on. See, this is going to take way too long and it's not really efficient. And here we're only talking about 16 rows of data. Imagine this was like 3,500 rows of data. There's no way in hell we're gonna bust out our calculator and start adding those shits up. So what we do is we bring in the sum formula. The sum formula says basically sum everything that I feed into this formula, right? So I can say sum this, so on and so forth, or I can say sum this entire range, right? Close parentheses, and that's your value, 10,247. So when you add all these up, what it's saying is the sum is 10,247. So let's actually verify that. Say we're a little bit cynical. Let's verify it. So 550 plus 764 plus 1023 plus 613 plus 1052. Let me stop saying these so I don't know you guys, but you get the point, right? We're moving through this little by little. Just notice that 444 is not formatted with the dollar sign or as currency, so I'll look into that later. But 423, last value 387 should be 10. Oh shit, what did I do? We missed something. Let me see. Did I miss something? Let's see. Let's try this again. 50 plus 64. 24 plus 289 plus 44 plus 8 plus 240. At 780. We're making progress. 60, 423, 387. There we go. 10,247. So you guys saw a little rookie slip up. I probably missed one of these along the way, but seeing as how we're cynical, we went through it again, added everything up. That's your sum formula. Let me know if this helps, and then check the description. Actually, click into the video on SUMIFs and or sum if and sum ifs, because that one is probably a step deeper, and it'll show a lot more value of using a sum formula, especially when you want to get into more complex calculations. But anyways, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and please leave me some feedback. Let me know what you think, how I can improve, or what you guys like for my videos. All right, I'll talk to you later. See ya.